Well, good afternoon, my stamping friends. Oops, almost forgot to have that there. This is Leslie with LuvINK&Paper, and since Monday is a holiday, I thought I'd check in with you today. I'm going to record this video, and then I will post it on Monday for those of you who are wanting to see it then, and for those of you who would like to see it some other time, you can view it then too. So glad you are here. So the May paper pumpkin kit came in a gorgeous box featuring all of the brand new 2023-2025 in colors that include Boho Blue, Pebble Path, Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, and Moody Mauve. Okay, so let's take a look in the box. Okay, so they gave us a little free sticker sheet. How fun, right? Free is always good. We have our dimensionals, and if you've been a subscriber for a while, you probably have lots of those. I've pulled out the labels that we're going to need for each of the 3 cards. And you always get one extra of each of the ones that you stamp on. So let's see, here's my other one that I started. So I still have, even though I've pulled out one, I've still got 3 of each left. So they always give you one just in case. We got a Copper Clay ink spot. I always, when I make my videos, I just use the full-size pad. It's just faster and easier. Okay, so we got beautiful envelopes, one for each style of card. So we had 3 styles of cards this month with 3 of each. All right, so let's take a look at our card bases. They're absolutely beautiful. So there's this one, and they were printed on front and back. Okay, which when I first saw that, I went, what are they thinking? And then I went, oh, but if I add a little of my own cardstock for bases, I just doubled my cards. Okay, so fast and easy. Cut them 4 by 5 1/4, and you can cut the whole 1/4 inch off the top or the bottom, or you can do an 1/8 off the top and bottom. It doesn't matter. But then you have this. So you have a front and a back of each of the cards, but they turn into beautiful bases. So this was one whole card, right? And I just cut it into 2. So now you have these beautiful, I'm thinking those 2 go together and this goes together. Okay, so that's how they were until I cut them apart. So now I have, instead of 3 card bases, I have 6. Well, 6 card fronts. Okay, so let's take a peek. Actually, I'm going to use these 3 as well. 1, 2, 3. No, you know what? I'm not going to make them the way the box suggests, because you guys are smart enough to do that. That's why they have these great directions. Okay, so let me just set those over there. So these are what they're meant to look like if you do the kits just as is. How gorgeous are they, right? With the little pieces, and oh, yep, I forgot to mention that we got the linen thread in there this month as well. Okay, so really fun little die cuts. And then when you open the directions for each card, it tells you, well, those are the actual directions. When you go to sort, this will tell you for card 1, you need this base, you need some string, you need this piece to stamp on, this piece to layer,